Hello, my name is Jocelyn Elise and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Bratzy inspired look. So let's get started. To start, you're going to want to prime your eyes. I'm using the Shadow Fix Eye Primer by About Face. Once applied, you can go ahead and blend it out on both eyes. I'm using a brush here, but you can easily go in with a fingertip as well. Be sure to give your under eye some love too. Using the Bratz Makeup Revolution Collab and the Yasmin palette, you're going to first want to go into this pink color called Change the World. Using the eyelash curler as a guide, you're going to take the pink color and trace the curler in back and forth motions. Next, using the inside handle of your eyelash curler, line it up at the bottom of your eye and with back and forth motions, take the pink color up and down to create a wing. After making the wing, you'll then want to make sure it's connected with the crease shadow. Taking that same color, you're going to take that into your bottom lash line in an upward motion. In your waterline, take a pink liner, making a simple line, making sure it's fully pigmented back and forth. Here I'm using the color Jade from the Makeup Revolution collab. Then on top, close to your lashes, make another line going into your winged liner. Once you're done with your liner, go back into the color Change the World and pat the color on your outer V. Opening the Sasha palette, we're going to use the color Strike a Pose here, which is this red color. And using the eyelash curler, we're going to take Strike a Pose back and forth, just as we did before with Change the World from the Yasmin palette. You're also going to want to take Strike a Pose on your top lash line where you made the wing and on your lower lash line to add depth. Taking this shimmer shade Inner Peace in the Yasmin palette, you're going to want to load that up on your brush, starting to blend the shade on your brow bone. That way most of the color goes there and the rest you can put at the front of your brow. For even more sparkle, add in the corners of your eye, taking it toward the middle of your pupil. Using a clean fluffy brush, blend everything together in the crease of your eye and underneath. In the outer V of your eye, apply Strike a Pose from the Sasha palette. Taking a fluffy brush, you're going to want to take the brush on that color you just applied and in a circular motion, blend it. In order to redefine the shape once again, I'm taking Strike a Pose on the shape of the eyelash curler. Using a flat makeup brush, you're going to take the color Glammed Up and apply it all over your lid. For a seamless look, you're going to want to then blend around the edges, starting in the crease, continuing around where the wing is on your eye. Going back in with the Jade liner, I'm once again lining with the eyelash curler just to bring some more pigment back after all that blending. Feel free to freehand this too if that feels more comfortable. With a liner makeup brush, take the red color along the winged liner just to define it. Blend out the line you just made in the wing area. Using your lower lash line as a guide, make an upward motion with your liner in order to start your wing. After doing so, go over the line until you build the right amount of thickness. Staying close to your inner corner, you now want to take the liner to the middle of your eye to make everything connect. For a sharper wing, take your concealer on a small liner brush, cleaning up the sides of each wing. Using Rare Beauty mascara, I'm coating my top and lower lashes until I get the desired effect. Breaking out the eyelash curler one last time, you're going to take a dark brown color in a back and forth motion for a more refined cut crease. Taking a black kohl liner, line the outer corner of your eye and stop in the middle where your pupil lies. And that's the look. For dull light shine, be sure to add a setting spray, overline your lips, and add plenty of lip gloss. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.